Today, we have got a major update in the Gilgo Beach serial killer case. A Suffolk County judge has ruled that powerful new DNA evidence the prosecutors say points directly to Rex Heuermann will be allowed in his upcoming trial. Judge Timothy Mazzei made the decision on Wednesday, and it's a big win for prosecutors who are building their case against Heuermann. For the defense team, though, it's a major blow. They had been fighting hard to block this evidence, claiming the science behind it wasn't reliable enough. So what this is all about? It comes down to a new type of DNA testing called the whole genome sequencing, unlike traditional testing, which creates a small DNA fingerprints. This method maps almost the entire genetic code. We are talking about 3 billion base pairs. It can even pull DNA out of extremely tough samples like hairs without roots, which normal testing usually can't handle. Prosecutors say investigators found individual stray hair on 6 of the 7 women Heuermann is accused of murdering. Using whole genome sequencing, scientists are able to analyze them. That's why this ruling matters so much. It gives prosecutors a way to tie Heuermann directly to the victims through advanced DNA science. Now Heuermann, a Manhattan architect, has pleaded not guilty. His attorney, Michael Brown, argued that this type of testing isn't widely accepted yet in the scientific community. He says it's too new, too experimental, and plans to attack its credibility in front of the jury when trial begins. Prosecutors pushed back, pointing out that this DNA method has already been used by local police, the FBI, and even defense attorneys in other cases across the country. The actual testing in this case was done by Astria Forensics, a California-based company that specializes in whole genome sequencing. After the judge's ruling, Suffolk County District Attorney Raymond Detailing sounded confident. He said, and I quote, "The science was on our side and that's why we won." End of quote. He also thanked his legal team and the experts who helped secure this outcome. Scientists watching the case say it's normal for new forensic tools to face this kind of legal battle before becoming standard. Nathan Lentz, a professor of biology at John Jay College, explained it this way. Every new forensic technique has to go through courtroom scrutiny first, and if it holds up under questioning and expert testimony, then it becomes part of toolkit investigators can rely on. For prosecutors, this ruling is a turning point. The Gilgo Beach murders shocked the nation when the victims' remains were discovered along Long Island more than a decade ago. After years of mystery, a Heuermann was arrested in 2023 thanks in part to new forensic strategies like phone records, car evidence, and now this cutting-edge DNA technology. Heuermann's next court date is set for September 23rd, where he will appear for a status conference. Prosecutors say the case is moving quickly to trial. As DA Taney put it, and I quote, "We are fast reaching the pre-trial stage and huddling toward the trial stage. This decision marks a significant step in forensic DNA analysis, and it shows where science is heading." End of quote.